I'm in Amsterdam, and in this short video I just want to talk a little bit about the photographic composition technique of repetition. Amsterdam is of course famed for its canals. Canals mean water, water means reflection, and I want to just show you how that can be used to improve your composition. You might be able to see behind me that there is a bridge there. Now that's being reflected in the water, and I can use that mirroring effect to improve the image that I'm taking. Now there's a boat just gone underneath there now, so the reflection's gone, but I did take a couple of shots before I started the video. So you can see here how that mill pond water reflects the image, makes it a much stronger composition than if it wasn't there. Now of course it's not just bridges, there are other things like buildings, signs, which we can also reflect in the water to improve the composition. The next technique in terms of composition that I want to talk about is taking a single object and repeating it multiple times within the image. In Amsterdam we've got loads and loads of bicycles chained up, so this is a great opportunity to try that type of technique. And as you can see from these images, it's not just one bike, it's a multitude of them, and that really adds impact to the photograph that we've taken. Obviously there may be other things that we can use to get that repetition as well, multiple objects. So I'm going to head off around the city to photograph more reflections and more bicycles. Right, so I've moved down to Dam Square in Amsterdam. Again, still looking for repetition, and there's some great opportunities here, not with bicycles, not with reflections, but with windows. So if you have a look here at all these different windows, lots of buildings, identical windows, same here with the town hall. And we move around, more and more duplicate sets of windows, which will make great repetition images. So I hope you can see the possibilities there. I'm going to go off now and shoot some repetition images based on those windows. You can see over my shoulder all the different pigeons, because that also would make for a great repetition shot. I hope you found this short video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my newsletter also. And thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making great photographs.